Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Xbox login error on PC, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is you can open up the Xbox app itself on PC, and once it is open, go ahead and open up the task manager, and you can do that by either clicking Control, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time, or opening up the Windows key and just typing in task manager. Anyways, once it is open, what you want to do is you want to go over to apps and you will find Xbox right here. Go ahead and right click on it, and what you want to do is you want to hit end task, because this is a way to like restart the app kind of, so you want to go ahead and do that. And once you do that, you should be good to go, and then you can open up the Xbox app again and go ahead and logging in. And if that does not work, the second method you guys can doing is just try, I recommend is doing a restart like your PC, but not restart your PC, reset your password. But before you do that, go ahead and go on mobile and make sure that you're logging in with the same credentials and everything is working. If everything is working, but you're still not able to log in on Xbox app on PC, then I recommend just resetting your password and stuff. Anyways, once you're done with that, you should be good to go. Go ahead and always restart your PC as well, because that does tend to help as well. And then once you're done with that, you should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.